Welcome to the island of Siquijor. So we went to this RUNIK restaurant in Siquijor. As suggested by one of the locals we met at the port, this seems clean and posh. This is a 7-minute drive from where we stay in San Juan, which is the Tropical Fantasy Rentals. RUNIK is just after Coho Grove Resort, so you can see it says adults only because they offer a variety of drinks and cocktails. At the entrance, you have to pay 350 pesos or less than $7, which is consumable. This will be deducted on your final bill when you pay before you leave the premises. This is their dining area, but you can still have your food be served at your chosen cabana, tables, or shade. You are free to use their infinity pool overlooking the sea, or stay on one of their couches and beanbags, or pay more when you want to stay here at one of their cabanas. We tried their food and we ordered mostly seafood, and these are just fine. The sun is about to set and the view is spectacular, isn't it? RUNIK usually gets a crowd by the late afternoon because of this view while enjoying their amenities, and by the evening, they start to party. So again, this is RUNIK Restaurant in Siquijor. This is a must try. So this is a great place to sit, relax, and have a dip on their pool and jacuzzi. Of course, with your drinks and cocktails on the side. Overall, we enjoyed our stay here at RUNIK's. If you happen to come here, Siquijor, try this one.
Check out my other videos on my channel. Thank you!